Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Unang ilam ke BJP na Delhi Aran Singh ulaong makilat jingirap kibala penbana dak sarkar pedeng hapok ke jingilam Menteri Rangbado kari Narendra Modi kum ke jing IAO khaw ba ke jing ITika banyada na ke jing pangkuvet kat kendai kadi ben beteng na kabenta ke jing mentoy kipat nong snong ulaong ba ke jing penteri kam ke BJP ha Meghalaya kenang e beteng bat kaseng kan sanang klan chuchu ya ka Meghalaya kat ba ka Kongres kan sanang ja kerteng ulakan thoru ba ka Kongres hapok ke jingilam Rahul Gandhi kalanang hiar ba ka Kongres kelasyu persyalut kat ikabalik ke sarkar wala da ka sarkar hapok ke jingilam Modi klale ki kam ki babha kumtaw laong bakipat ba kari kipet kai ya ka rukom le ka Kongres bat kani ka seng ka saja kerteng namar ka rukom le jangka kamdei ben penbha hendai tang man pensniu sudah haba kli sepang ka jengweng yu ba elhek kumu menteri ka sarkar MDA bat bedrung bijli do ba san bolshelai kumu menteri Union National General Secretary ke BJP ulang baban keren ni kini ke benta kidi kinang ilam ke BJP hajla bat menteri ke jela.
तो आपको लोग रिकॉग्नाइज करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे बताइए कहेंगे यस ये लीडर ने हमको दिया वो आपको भी मानेंगे कि यू विल बी लिंक विद नरेंद्र मोदी जी तो ये करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए इस हिसाब से काम द वे इज वर्किंग मित्रों आप सबसे मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है जो सरकार के काम हो उसको नीचे तक कौन पहुंचाएगा आप सब पहुंचाएंगे अच्छा बूथ के कार्यकर्ता है मोदी जी दे रहे हैं या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट दे रही है यू हैव टू टेल अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन if something was given 4 years back you have to tell yes this is a gas connection was given by Modi ji the bank account was opened by the Modi ji under which the महिलाएं जो है 1500 रुपए उनको 1500 rupees they have got it farmers they are getting PM under Kisan Yojana so who is going to tell you have to tell remind again and again then you can increase your party base then you can increase your support from the people कर सकते नहीं कर सकते तो ये अपने को बूथ के कार्यकर्ताओं को करना है और आपको मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि बूथ के कार्यकर्ता वंस इन अ मंथ यू हैव टू हैव द मीटिंग बूथ के कार्यकर्ता
सी द बूथ एंड मंडल प्रोग्राम्स टू ensure the vaccination drive that should go on the free ration that is announced by the Modi government that should also be drive should be on and this is my opportunity I feel proud and very happy to be here the Karkarta they have attended with the social distancing here and to review the organization activities also here and to boost up the party Karkarta their work.
You mentioned the BJP's plan is to wipe out the Congress even in Meghalaya. If you can elaborate more.
You know, the Congress leadership is totally failed. Nobody believes now the leadership under the Rahul Gandhi. So the Congress now it has no ideology itself. They are taking U-turn. Congress is taking U-turn every time. And for the sake of, they are opposing for everything. Even for the good thing that the Modi ji is doing, the Congress party is opposing. हर चीज़ को कांग्रेस अपोज ही कर रही है. And the Congress is doing all negative or destructive politics nowadays. The people of the country, they are watching. And if the leadership is not good, definitely the party cannot grow in the state. So nobody has a faith in the leadership of the Rahul Gandhi. That's why I say that in Meghalaya the Congress will be wiped out. It is being wiped out from most of the states. Now it is a turn of the Meghalaya. From here also the Congress will be wiped out, and BJP will take a place, and most of the seats the BJP will win where the Congress is there. This is what I can only say. The state leaders and the chief minister will say something about it.
And so, like, there has been a lot of infighting within the BJP here.
I say only one thing: the BJP is one. There is only one good. Only the BJP. There is no infighting. Everyone is working along with you.